enhances in-car entertainment, improves audio quality, and provides convenient connectivity for devices. NY Today's video is about top 5 best car audio bundles under $300 that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Scbpaud Car Audio Bundles, this 3.5-inch car speaker bundle delivers a strong upgrade for anyone looking to improve in-car audio quality without complex installation. With a combined 300 W peak power output, the speakers produce clear highs, detailed mids, and solid bass, offering a more immersive listening experience for daily driving or road trips. The build quality is impressive, featuring carbon fiber cones for accurate sound reproduction and durability. Aluminum alloy baskets and heat-resistant voice coils help ensure stable performance even in demanding conditions like heat or moisture, making them suitable for cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, and more. Installation is straightforward thanks to the direct-fit design, allowing users to replace factory speakers quickly using included mounting hardware. No professional help required. The integrated tweeters also help deliver a balanced full-range sound without extra components. As a 2-pack bundle, it provides excellent value for upgrading multiple channels. Overall, it's a durable, easy to install, and powerful audio upgrade for better driving entertainment. Now our second product is Orion Car Audio Bundles. The Orion CB65C coaxial car speakers offer a solid upgrade for anyone looking to improve in-car audio quality without overly complex installation. With up to 280 W peak power and 70 W RMS output, they deliver strong, clear sound that enhances everyday listening with noticeable depth and clarity. Their two-way design combines a dedicated woofer for rich bass and a tweeter for crisp highs, creating a well-balanced audio experience across the 70 Hz, 20 kHz frequency range. The 88 dB sensitivity ensures efficient sound output, making music feel more dynamic even at moderate volume levels. Build quality is another strong point. The polypropylene cone and butyl rubber surround help reduce distortion while improving durability, ensuring consistent performance over time. Installation is also straightforward, with a universal fit and clearly marked connections that make them suitable for DIY users. Overall, the CB65C speakers provide a reliable mix of power, clarity, and ease of installation, making them a practical audio upgrade for most vehicles. Our third product is WdIya Car Audio Bundles. This 6.5-inch car speaker set offers a strong audio upgrade for users looking for more powerful and immersive sound. With a peak output of up to 1000 W, it delivers deep bass and clear audio performance that enhances everyday driving or entertainment use. The two-way full-range design, with an integrated tweeter, ensures balanced sound across highs and lows without needing extra components. This makes it a convenient all-in-one solution for better in-car audio. Build quality is solid, featuring carbon fiber cones, aluminum alloy baskets, and high-temperature voice coils. These materials help improve durability and maintain stable performance in different weather conditions, making them suitable for long-term use. Installation is straightforward thanks to the direct-fit design and included mounting hardware, allowing easy replacement of most factory 6.5-inch speakers. Compatibility across cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and boats adds extra versatility. Overall, this 2-pack speaker bundle provides strong performance, durability, and great value for a full audio upgrade. Now number 4, Orion Car Audio Bundles. The Orion XTX654 midrange speaker is a powerful upgrade for car audio enthusiasts seeking strong, balanced sound performance. With up to 1400 W max power and 350 W RMS output, it delivers loud, dynamic audio with minimal distortion, making it suitable for high-energy music setups. Its key strength lies in its mid-range focused design with a bullet structure, which enhances high-frequency clarity while still maintaining solid low and mid tones. This ensures a more detailed and full-bodied sound experience, especially for vocals and instrumentals. Build quality is also impressive, featuring a 1.5-inch high-temperature voice coil and a strong 40-ounce magnet structure. With a sensitivity of 97 dB, it provides efficient sound output even at lower power levels. The speaker's design and measurements make it suitable for a range of custom car audio installations. Overall, the XTX654 is a reliable, high-performance mid-range speaker that delivers clarity, power, and versatility for serious audio setups. And our last choice is DS18 Car Audio Bundles. The Pro X 6.4 BM mid-range speaker is a solid upgrade for anyone looking to improve the clarity and presence of their car audio system. Designed to handle the most important part of the sound spectrum, it performs especially well with vocals and instrumental tracks, delivering a clean and balanced listening experience. With 500 W max power and 250 W RMS at 4 ohms, it provides enough output to enhance most audio setups without distortion. The sound feels strong and controlled, making it suitable for both casual listening and more demanding systems. Durability is another highlight, featuring a 1.5-inch high-temperature Scbpaud voice coil that helps withstand heat and extends speaker lifespan. The bullet dust cover not only protects the internal components but also contributes to consistent sound performance. Overall, the 6.5-inch mid-range speaker is a reliable choice for users who want clearer vocals, stronger mid-frequencies, and a noticeable upgrade from stock factory audio systems. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.